There's a mama. There's a mama. Did you get a rock?
Oh, here he comes.
Hello. There's Cosmo.
We caught him out.
There you go. There's Rose. What you doing?
Uh-oh, tackles.
Here comes Puppies.
So here we are in Summerland at our favorite doggy park. We like this one for the puppies because there's no way for them to get out.
Sure.
And more importantly, it's big, but it's not too big. Here they are at just shy of 6 weeks. So this is their first day in the puppy parks, in the doggy parks. Mom, however, is used to playing in the dog parks with her cubs. So, oh, here comes Daddy. It's great for helping with their coordination too.
With the product.
Yeah, it's just Timmy's. So now we're going to take the time to introduce you to each and every one of these pups. And I'll tell you a little bit about what's going on with them and which one has got which skill set developing. They've all begun leash training. They'll be finished for the majority within a week and a half, 2 weeks. Just in time for them to find their new home. Whoa!
Hello. Okay.
I go to attack your feet. Your feet are very big. Hi, sweetie. Boy, there's bad glare on this camera, but that's okay.
Hello, here's our first little puppy right here.
Okay, here, take the camera, and I'll start talking about each individual puppy.
It went underneath the table.
Where'd he go? Oh, come here.
It's one of the boys. One of the girls. Here, let's go with this big furry. Oh, big furry boy. Where's your big furry boy?
So first guy is, is Prince Valiant.
Yay!
Actually, we were going to call him Prince Valiant at the start because he was spent a lot of time sleeping. However, he's now woken up all the way, and his skill set seems to be developing to do ideal patrol work or other support work. He has a bit of an unusual fur. We're thinking cast back to Grandpa, but by the time he's ready to go, he will be saddled back and he'll short with his little ears standing straight up. Oh, I'm sorry, sweetie. Would you like a little duck liver? Okay, so we'll give a little treat. And we'll try bring up the next. I know it's really hard because this is the first day they're in the park playing. Oh, but now that you're opening the duck treats, I'm really going to pay attention to you.
Wiggles!
Here you go, sweetie. No, that's my finger. There we go. Good boy.
Yep.
You're a good boy. Yes, you are.
Okay, kisses. Hugs and kisses.
Wee. And who's next?
Oh, there we go.
Prince Charming, apparently.
Hello. Hello. Hello, little charmer. You are.
Oh, or is it going to be?
Come here. I got this one.
Okay.
Stay.
Oh no, Prince Charming, you left muddy footprints all over my shirt. So this is Prince Charming.
Good boy.
He's actually a really good, just general companion dog.
Yeah.
He is not a puller, so he doesn't have that on his dad. As you can see, he has the more typical German Shepherd. Hi, sweetie.
Here's your dada.
Crust teddy bear shepherd coloring, and when he's finished, he will be totally saddled back, upturned ears with just a little blaze up here. These are all Gene 2.
And
G2-2026. This is G2-2026 M1. The previous puppy was G2-2026 M2.
Hello.
Hi, sweetie. Yeah. You want a treat? Treat. Charming.
The Prince.
He does have his dad's concentration on his ability to not pay attention.
Yeah.
once he's on a trail, he just stays on it. There we go.
Hey.
Okay, down you go, little girl, little boy, little girl. You're not a little girl. You're a fun little boy. Good boy. Oh, go chase the mama.
Big size too.
Okay, little
Oh,
girl.
what? Oh, there's one. Hello.
Tron. Little Miss Buttercup.
Buttercup. Turkey puppy. Oh, hello, baby.
Here.
Here.
Hello, this is little Miss Buttercup.
She
is actually a sweetheart.
Oh.
We're definitely thinking family with small children and children. Oh, it's okay. I know. I want to go play. She's going to play in just a few minutes. The white, of course, will disappear, and like all the rest, they're really hard to tell them apart once they reach their adult configuration. But she is just a sweetheart. She likes to cuddle, and she loves giving kisses. And she has a tendency to sleep over your head if you give her a chance, which is she learned that from Rose thing. You're a good,
cutie.
Good girl. Here you go. Treat. So she is G2-2026 F1.
You're a good girl.
Yay. Go play. Okay, where's your sister? Where's little Miss Daisy? I see little Miss Daisy. There she goes.
Yep, they're all hopping around chasing mom. Where's the little Daisy? There's Daisy. Hi, Daisy. Oh, come here. Oh. Whoa. Hi.
Little Miss Daisy,
She's a cutie.
of all of them, she is cute.
Oh.
She also has,
Squiggly.
yeah, and she has a little bit more of her dad's temperament, in that she is a puller. In fact, we're doing the most leash work with her because she is a puller. Other than that, she is actually very sweet, but I definitely think that she's got the tracking gene in her. But you know what? She definitely smells a treat. Hey, sweetie, you want the treat?
There you go.
There's the treat. So she is
Just very cute.
G2-2026 F2,
You little feet.
and she's a little sweetheart. Yes, she is. Oh,
Yeah, good girl. Huh?
yeah.
Yeah. Really.
Okay.
Yes. Good temperament.
Okay. What's Daddy barking at? Okay, go.
Just a human.
Go see your peoples.
And Cosmo is doing his usual guard mode.
Kiss the mama. Kiss the mama. Kiss mama taste. Go. Hey, that one just got. Oh, I'm sorry.
Huh.
Come on, you right? Have a count. Hey, listen to your mother. Cosmo's just trying to teach you how to run around like a snake.
Yeah. Guys, go play. Up, 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 up. How you doing, sweetie? Yeah. Woohoo! The whole family all at once. Here we go.
Yes, all of G2-2026.
So all G2 2026. Second generation G2. That's your rock.
And as a reminder,
Daisy.
you can hear me on the phone. There's only going to be one more G2 group, and it's at least 17 months away. And G3 is at least 24 months away. So there will be, once these guys are gone, no other really quick chance to pick up another teddy bear shepherd or shepherd Canadianus until we're 17 months down the line or 24 months for Gene Group 3.
So Rose is gonna get a break, and 17 months until the next pack is available, and it'll be 2 years, 24 months until we get our G3 on the go. What was that? Yeah. Little wiggler. Yeah. Whoop. There goes Zeta. Hey Cosmo, you having fun? Sure. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah. And he's doing his perimeter check, make sure no humans. Yeah, there's a mama. Ticket girl. Hi, Rose.
Yes, we always raise the puppies with both parents. I hate that this park doesn't have water though. And they were out of the big truck at Hampton, so when I go down the hill to get some water.
Yeah. Doo-doo-doo. Hey, mama. Yeah, she's got a little hot spot on her back, so that's that discoloration. But yeah, she's awesome. Here's my baby girl. Okay. Oh, who's playing pouncing practice? Nope.
I definitely think the little ones are getting a little tired.
Yes. Yeah, they are.
Whoa, except this little Miss Daisy there. Wow.
Doo-doo-doo. Whoop. Okay. Okay, you guys done?
Okay, let's see.
Yeah?
See if I can get Cosmo in first. And I'll bring the car over. Cosmo!
There's a good girl.
Cosmo.
Sweetie, you got a rock in your face? She's an oddball. Get over here. Hop, 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 hop. Oh. It's the fam. There we go. Okay, so we're just leaving Summerland. And we'll catch you on the next run.
Don't forget the duck livers.
There. 13.